So in this tutorial, we learn how to install NumPy. NumPy is an open source mathematical and scientific computing library for Python programming tasks. But before installing NumPy, make sure that you have downloaded and installed Python. So I've created a video of how to install, and the link is in the description below. So we'll first identify if I have NumPy in my system. So I'll type IDLE. So IDLE is an integrated development environment for Python, and you can run your Python programs here. So I'll first type a simple prompt, import NumPy, press enter, and you can see that I've gotten an error, meaning that the module is not installed. You can close it. Come back to the search bar and type cmd, command prompt, and hit enter. So here you can first verify the Python version that I have. So Python space -- version, press enter, and you can see that I have the latest version, Python 3.13.3. So let's install NumPy. So type pip install NumPy. So pip come bundled with Python, and pip is a standard package manager and can be used to download, update, and also manage third-party libraries. So click enter. So you have to wait for some few seconds for the installation to be complete. So you can see that we have gotten a message that we have successfully installed NumPy. So you can close. Let's head back to the IDLE and press enter. So here you can simply type a simple prompt, import NumPy, and press enter. And you can see that you no longer get the error message, meaning that the module has been installed. So that's how to install NumPy. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education. Thank you.